Augie, you okay?
Yeah, everything's fine.
Augie, you know if you need help, you can ask for it. You're not alone.
I know.
You know something about this?
We take bullying very seriously at this school. There's zero tolerance.
You wrote that, Julie?
Yes, sir.
And one note was on the back of a class photo. My son photoshopped Augie out of it. When we pressed Augie, he showed us these other notes that your son left in his locker and his desk, chair. So, Augie can't change the way he looks. So, maybe we can change the way we see.
Mr. Tishman, I'm really sorry.